Was that bird's trying to attack the water line? And it went closer, see?